Ja. At the Nurburgring. They're gonna allow us to do some mechanical work on the CLK before the Nurburgring Drift Cup round 2 big entry contest. So during the show we lost the oil feed line to the clutch, and that made us lose all the clutch during the show, so we had to drift without clutch and just do our best. Worked out pretty good and we get a pretty good show anyways, but we also ended up in the last run to crack the bolt to our tie rod, so we have to check what's wrong with that, and hopefully we can find something that's binding or something that's hitting the steering. So we have some fault troubleshooting to do. Right now the guys are removing the exhaust, the gearbox without the bell housing to get to the oil feeding line to the push-up bearing. So as soon as that is done, we're gonna try to go to Atomic to get a new brake line, and then we should be all set. So a little bit of work. This is Tuesday at the Nurburgring, and the competition starts on Friday with practice. So everything feels pretty good so far. Some sick cars in here. Renntech, there are specialists in tuning of AMG cars, like the AMG GTR, almost 900 horsepower, and then you have some other specific cars they upgraded with turbos and downpipes and everything in between, so some serious power getting made in this workshop. And we're in the same building as Black Falcon racing team, they just made the Nurburgring 24 hours. They ended up in second place with their AMG GT3, so big congrats to them. Here we go, plug box off. There we have the new oil line to the push-out bearing. Thank you to Atomic Shop Europe to help us make a new one. So let's get it mounted on the car. So, we actually found out that we have a broken uniball on the lower control arm in the front. So now we're trying to change it here at the Renntech as well. So always good to do a check over of the car and find the problems before they happen. So it's time to push out the old ball bearing and get in a new one. Seems to have gone really good so far. So far. We just got the old bearing pushed out of the control arm and getting ready to put in the new one. Stefan is getting ready to lead the clutch, and hopefully the clutch starts working again. And maybe we can do a clutch kick. Oh. Vi går över till den andra. Släpp vad du kräver. Nej, den. The Swedish guy we met on Friday, really nice guy, moved down to Nurburgring to experience the lifestyle of the green Hille. Awesome car, GT3 RS with straight pipes. gets much better than that in engine sound. Encore. If not, it's a Mercedes, of course. Then it's always better, don't you think? There's an AMG 845 turbo, our rental car, and the CO2 drift. So we're gonna keep you updated during the mechanics work. This is Joel with the guns. And that's our host, Daniel. He's super nice to let us be in here together with Lucas, his owner. And we also stay at his place down here in I don't know, I don't remember the town name. So, gonna get back to you soon. Bye.